Good afternoon, all of you. Just a minute. We are starting the class. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, please.
Sir, the answer of fourth one is 28 centimeter square.
Sir, please explain me.
Which one? Which question? Which one?
Sir, fourth one of C part.
Okay. Fourth one of C part. I am doing it on the.
Centimeters.
I am doing it on the board. Just. I am doing the fourth one on the board. (20.3). Question number. Fourth part. This is the figure given. Question C, fourth part. This is 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 4 centimeters, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeter. So these are the dimensions given. You can do this by joining this here and join this. To join these two sides, you will see that three rectangles will be formed. So this is your first rectangle. इसको मैं यहाँ पे 3 centimeters. Okay. So three rectangles are formed. This is your first rectangle. Second rectangle and third. If you add all the three rectangles, areas of all the three, you will get a total area. So all of you listen to me. This total length is 5 centimeters. एक बार ध्यान से सुनिए, very important thing. This total length is 5 centimeters. This much is 3. This is 3 centimeters. Okay, this much. So this is also 3. So ये कितना बचा आपका? 5 minus 3. So this becomes 2 centimeters. Got it or not? ये अंदर वाला जो part है. This is 2 centimeters. Okay. Now we can find the area of all the three. Area equal to total area equals to area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. So area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. So area 1, first rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 8 centimeters. And what is the breadth? 2.
2 into 8.
It is 2 or 2 into 8, anything you can write. Plus, this is your first rectangle.
And the other two are 2 into 3, 2 into 3.
Yes, very good. Second rectangle 3 into 2. Similarly, third rectangle is same as the second one. Third and second both are same. So third one also 3 into 2. Okay. Areas of all the three rectangles. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 6.
16 plus 6, 6.
16 plus 6 plus 6. What is the sum? It is 28
Meter square.
centimeters square. Clear? 28 centimeters square.
Sir, yes, sir, my answer was correct.
Mine was correct.
Okay. Chalo.
Sir, mine was correct.
So understood. Today I have a surprise for you all.
Sir, what? Please tell.
I have a surprise for you all.
Sir, what? Sir, please give hint or a clue.
Do you know,
Sir, I know. Hargon is teaching, studying offline.
do you know who she is?
Yes, sir. How can?
Yes, sir,
How?
Hargun. She is our friend only.
Yes, sir. Sir, I saw her in Hindi creative class also. Sir, I wish I also study offline.
Very soon, let's hope that you all will come to the school very soon.
Sir, we will meet on.
Sorry? Have you all done the question? Done the question? Okay.
exercise. Question is very easy.
Sir, can I start doing 20.4?
Okay, let's just wait for a minute.
Sir, can we do the first one ourselves?
Wait. Okay, I'm erasing this. Exercise 20.4. First question. This exercise is having word problems. First question we will do. A triangular piece of paper. Read the question, everyone. A triangular piece of paper has a base of 22 centimeter and height of 15 centimeters. Triangular piece of paper. So first of all, you make a triangle. For the question, you will draw the figure also. Just to understand what type of question it is. It is good to draw figures in all the questions. Okay. A triangular piece of paper has a base of 22 centimeters. The base of the triangle is 22 centimeters and the height of the triangle is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters is the height of the triangle. So this type of triangle you will draw in your copies first. So
Oh, sir, I didn't notice my notebook is finished.
sorry?
I have not noticed that my notebook is finished.
Okay. So how much area do you require? That means you have to find the area of the triangular sheet of paper. Area of triangular piece of paper. Area of triangular piece of paper equals to half into base into height. Okay. Base 22. What is the base of the triangle? 22. What is the height of the triangle? 15. So can you solve this? 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 into 15 is 165 centimeter square. 165 centimeters square. Clear, everyone? Arvind, have you understood? Can you all do the second part on your own? Draw the figure first. Try the second question on your own. I will help you in this if you don't get it. Draw the figure first and then find the area.
So,
Sorry, in this area is already given. Area is already given. Breadth is given. You have to find the length. Can you do it on your own? We have already done this type of question in the second exercise of this chapter. Exercise 20.2 में हमने ऐसे questions किए हुए हैं. where area and breadth are given, you have to find the length. So I think you can do it. Why the strength is so less today? Because the teachers are teaching from the school, that is why the strength is less.
Sir, in the second question, we have to follow the same method that we uh, did to find the length and breadth
Sorry? Beta, your voice is not clear.
rectangle.
What is the answer? Very good. Yes, all of you done the second part? Tell me the answer of second part, everyone. What is your answer of second part? Tell me.
Sir, my answer of second one is 30 centimeter.
Very good, correct answer. Everyone else? Okay. Do you want me to do the second one on the board? May I do the second one? Everyone, all of you have done or not? Why are you not replying today?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got the answer. I think it is 30 centimeters square.
30 centimeter, not centimeter square. Length
Okay, sir.
centimeters. Okay.
Sir, is it correct?
Okay, let's do the third one if you all have done the second one also. If you need any help, you can ask in the second one. I'm doing the third one now. In the third one, there is a
Answer is coming 169 centimeters.
it is a very simple question. Question three. You have to find the square garden, the side of the garden is given. Side of the square garden is
My
30.
answer is coming 169 centimeters.
So area of garden equal to side.
Sir, is the second answer 30 centimeters?
Yes, correct. Second one we answer 30 centimeters. In the third one, it is a square garden, so area equals to side into side. 13 into 13, answer is 169 meters square. Do it. Awesome. The whole exercise has very easy questions. All the questions are very simple. Generally, word problems are a bit difficult. Matlab students sometimes
Yes, sir, it is very.
this one is very easy. I hope you all have learned the formula. All the formula are learned.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I'm not able to understand how to do fourth one.
How?
To do fourth one.
How to do the fourth one?
Sir, my
I will help.
fourth one is 10 centimeter.
In the fourth one, there is a misprint. Make a correction in the fourth one because there is a misprint in the fourth. The shape of the scarf is rectangular, not triangular. Make it rectangular scarf. It is a rectangular scarf, not a triangular scarf.
Now I can do. Sir, I was confused when triangle came.
There is a misprint in the question. It is a rectangular scarf. What is the answer? Fourth one. Very good. What is the answer? Yes, correct. Very good. Orally answer निकाल दिया. भैया ठीक है. आया स्कूल में. Okay, fourth one. There is a rectangular scarf. The area of the scarf is given, and the width of the scarf is also given. We just have to find the length of the scarf. Okay. Question number 4. Rectangular scarf is there. The breadth, length is not given, so I am asking it L. Breadth of the scarf is given how much? 15 centimeters.
Sir, it is a triangular scarf.
क्या मैंने यही तो बोला. Make a correction. There is a misprint in the question. Instead of
Okay,
triangular,
sir.
make it rectangular. वो misprint हुआ है book में. Okay.
Please
Area
tell
of
the
the square is given. How much? 75 centimeters square. This is the area of the square which is given. Now, write the formula of area. Area is equal to length into breadth. And then prepare the formula of area. So put the values 75 equals to L into 15. Breadth is 15. So 75 upon 15 is equal to L. That means 5 centimeters equal to L. 17 upon 15 is 5. 15. 17 upon 15 is equal to 5 centimeters. Answer. Clear?
Okay, sir. Sir, answer was coming 5 centimeter, and when I checked from book a bit, then it was coming 10 centimeters. So I became confused. The answer was 5 or 10.
What is the answer given in the book?
Sir, answer given in the book is 10 centimeters.
That is because they have considered it as a mistake.
Yes, sir, the answer given in the book is 10 centimeters.
Triangular is not rectangular.
book.
Triangular देखा rectangular तो देखा होगा. From left to top we does not. Yes, done fourth one. Try the fifth one also. If the base of a parallelogram measures 7 meters and the area is 105 meters square, find the height of
Ma'am,
the.
it is just like rectangle.
Yes, very similar question. Base of the parallelogram, first you draw a parallelogram and then write the formula of area of a parallelogram and then find the height of the parallelogram. Okay, do it.